These are the most important topics from economy for the UPSC prelims 2025. In the national income section, you can expect question on GDP and base year revision. Also, the base effect concept is important. Next, the concepts regarding slowdown, recession, and stagflation. What is the difference between them? Next is the rising household debt in India. Next, you can get question regarding competition theory, monopoly, antitrust laws. Then, guys, you can expect question on increasing income inequality in India. Then, what is the definition of developed country, high income country, middle income country? What is middle income trap? Then, 1991 economic reforms is also very important. You can expect question on this topic. Next, from the agriculture section, you can expect question on MSP, FPO, White Revolution, and also the WTO's agreement on agriculture. Further, you can also expect question on agriculture trade. Next, in fiscal policy, you can expect question on India's increasing debt, debt to GDP ratio, tax to GDP ratio, increasing personal income tax vis-a-vis corporate tax. You can also get questions on cess and surcharge, global minimum taxation, etc., etc. Next, in coming to inflation and unemployment section, you can get question on what is the factor regarding food inflation in India, what is disinflation and deflation. Next, you can expect question on women workforce participation rate and care economy. In monetary policy, you can expect 2-3 questions. First is the monetary policy tools, OMO and CRR is very important. Next, you can get question regarding the CD ratio. Also, guys, you can get question regarding the deposit insurance and microfinance. Next, coming to capital market, definitely there will be one question. Here, the question mostly will be term based. You can expect question on front running, insider trading, IPO, FPO, right issues, FNO, bear market, bull market. All these topics are very important. Next, the external sector. The external sector is very important, guys. Here again, WTO is the most important topics. Tariff war is going on. Then TRIPS, WTO's various principles like MFN, etc., etc. Also, guys, you may expect question regarding the reserve currency and de-dollarization. This is the entire list. I have prepared Optima flashcards on most important topics. You can use them to revise. Also, I have prepared important questions on these. Make use of it.